Hey guys, today we're going to be replacing the engine air filter or air intake and the cabin air filter on this 2012 Honda Civic Si. So, yeah. So now we're going to have some pictures of the car before we start. So, yeah. So first, before we start, I would suggest getting rubber gloves because engines can be pretty dirty. So I'm gonna do this and then speed it up. Okay, now that I have gloves on, we're going to start with the engine air filter, and we'll do the cabin later. But first thing you're going to need to do, this is very important, is to get the right intake. So this one is specifically for a Honda car, and this is a Honda Civic Si from 2012, like I said. And you also need, of course, the right model, and you have to be very exact. So, because I was looking, I thought the Civic and the Si had the same engine, but it has a 2.4 liter. Civic has 2. So I got one for a Civic and it didn't fit, or we were about to buy one for a Civic and it didn't fit. So that's why you have to be very, you have to get the right filter. So I'm now gonna open this up. Oh, they smell gross. First things first, we have to get the cover off. So I'm just gonna pull my sleeves. And now you're just going to have to unloosen these clamps. We're gonna have to find them. Dad, do you know where the clamps are? Hey, these. They go down. Oh. And then there's another one on the other side. Now, I'm guessing there's some on the back.
Scoot.
Okay.
There we go. Now
Okay, we finally got out. So, the way it was in was like this. Now, look at this filter. This is disgusting. And that's why you need an air filter in your car, because without this stuff would be going into your engine, and that would not be good. So, I'm going to put this on the ground, or on here. Now, I'm going to get the new filter. And like I said, it went in this way, so we're going to put it in that way. Now, wait, can we take, the leaves out?
No, just,
Okay.
well.
And if you want to, you can, take out, the big things that are stuck inside the engine. This part right here where the filter goes in. Okay, now, pretty easy part. Just slide this thing back in. And now that it's in, make sure it's, in right.
Mm-hmm.
Is that it? Kitty, Dad, can you look at the key?
No, because I just got it.
Oh, the key's coming into our garage.
What?
Yeah.
No, Kitty, out. Okay, now we're done. You can click those back in place now.
Okay, so now that we finally got that on, that was the most hard part of this, so I'm going to get my glove back on. Okay, so now we just have to put back on the clamps.
If it's too hard, I can do it. It should just snap right on. Good.
Now we have to do it on the other side. Perfect. Make sure those are in all the way. And yeah. Okay, we finally did it. That took a while. Do we have to dispose of this?
You just throw that in the trash.
Okay. So yeah, throw it in the trash. Oh, as hard as I can. Okay, on to the cabin. And at least we don't have to work in the engine bay, which is kind of dirty. So, yeah.
Hey, out of here. Out of here.
That's Dylan.
That's Dylan.
Now it's under the Impala. Okay.
Okay. Put that.
That's my friend's cat.
Oh. Okay. Push the button. I'm gonna go watch the.
I know you.
I don't think that cat likes me.
Yeah.
I don't. Really? No, that cat cannot come in our house.
Aw, why no, it's Dylan's. Hi. Do you like cabin air filters? Yes, you do. She likes cabin air filters.
Cat's being ridiculous.
After that cat incident, I'm feeling better. Well, better than before. I was feeling great already, but cats are cool. So now we're going to do the cabin air filter, and you're going to need something that's going to work for your car, and this will. And we're going to be by the glove compartment, which is on the passenger side of the car. So we're going to enter on the passenger side. Have our cameraman go in. Right, Dad? Oh, you gonna go in? Okay, so first I'm gonna open this. So I realized I didn't. So fast forward now. Okay, got it out. I don't think we need to fast forward actually. Okay, so yeah, this is our filter. Going up there for now. Also, before we start, you might want to move back your seat because this is going to come out. So I'm going to put this right here. And first thing you have to do is open up the glove compartment. And then there's these two little like knob looking things on each side. So you're going to gently push these sides and make them come out. So this can come out and then make sure that stays there. And now, this will just come right out. And now, here's all the goodness inside here. Fun stuff. What we're going to do, there's little arrows right here. And I can zoom in, Dad, on the video. Little arrows, and then there's these little tabs. So we're going to push the tabs in the way the arrows tell us, which is inward. And now that we have this thing off, we can pull out the disgusting filter. So I'm going to put this like outside. Oh, imagine if this was inside your car, like if this was in the air.
Oh, don't. Oh.
I was seeing the bottom.
Just throw it outside.
Okay, so I'm gonna get this outside, then we're gonna
Windows open.
try and get this. Oh yeah, that was fun. Make sure it closes. Okay, now we have to get in the new one. Okay, so make sure that, very important, make sure that it's, so it says airflow and then arrows pointing down. Right here it says airflow and then there's two arrows pointing down. Make sure you match these up, but don't put it in like this, because then it's not going to go in all the way, and then see there's, because this isn't a perfect square, it's actually a rectangle. You're going to keep, oh, it's windy outside. You're going to keep this airflow down and then turn it so it's on this side that's squishy. And then you're going to slide in like that so it fits. And then reinstall the cover and slides right in. Same thing with this part of the glove compartment. You just should slide right in and there you go. Now you have better air in your car, hopefully. So yeah, hope that video was helpful. If it was, like, subscribe, and ring the bell for like notifications, and watch some more videos. Maybe. and that's all for today. So I'm going to go. Wait, Dad, do you want to start it up on video? Yes, okay. Can you rev it too? Yeah?
Let's go.
Okay. Bye.
Okay.
Okay, ready? Okay, drive it in. Oh my god. Yeah.